Spinach is a relatively fast-growing, leafy green vegetable that can be harvested in a relatively short period of time, typically within 4 to 6 weeks after planting. However, the exact time it takes for spinach to grow to maturity can vary depending on several factors. 1. Variety. Different spinach varieties have varying growth rates. Some varieties are quick to mature and may be ready for harvest in as little as 4 weeks, while others may take slightly longer. 2. Weather and climate. Spinach prefers cooler temperatures and may bolt send up a flower stalk and go to seed prematurely in hot weather. In cooler climates and during the spring and fall seasons, spinach tends to grow more quickly. 3. Soil conditions. Well-draining, fertile soil enriched with organic matter can promote healthy growth and faster development of spinach plants. Ensure that the soil is loose and crumbly to allow for good root development. 4. Sunlight. Spinach prefers partial shade to full sun. Adequate sunlight is essential for photosynthesis and healthy growth. In lower light conditions, growth may be slower. 5. Watering. Consistent moisture is important for spinach growth. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Inconsistent watering or drought stress can slow down growth and affect the quality of the leaves. 6. Spacing. Proper spacing between spinach plants allows for good air circulation and prevents overcrowding, which can lead to disease and slower growth. Follow spacing recommendations on seed packets or plant tags. 7. Pests and diseases. Pests such as aphids, flea beetles, and diseases like downy mildew can affect spinach growth and delay maturity if not properly managed. Monitor plants regularly for signs of pests and diseases and take appropriate measures to control them. Overall, with optimal growing conditions and proper care, spinach can be ready for harvest in about 4 to 6 weeks after planting. Regular harvesting of outer leaves can also encourage continued growth and prolong the harvest period.